How to make a YouTube channel. Choose your niche. Decide on the topic or theme of your channel. It should be something you are passionate about, and something that you have expertise in. Define your target audience. Who are the people you want to reach with your videos? Knowing your target audience will help you create content that resonates with them. Develop your content strategy. Determine the types of videos you will create, how often you will upload, and the overall tone and style of your channel. Set up your YouTube channel. Create a YouTube account, customize your channel page, and upload a profile picture and cover art that represents your brand. Create high-quality videos. Invest in good equipment, such as a camera, microphone, and lighting, to ensure that your videos are of high quality. Optimize your videos. Use keyword-rich titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos appear in YouTube search results. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media and other platforms, collaborate with other creators, and engage with your audience to build a following. Remember that building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, so be patient and persistent. Keep creating content that your audience loves, and your channel will grow over time. Thanks for watching.